Whoa! So today I've just purchased the Bishop Power Wand shader. You might have already seen the liner video where I've got the full set, but we've also got the shader version as well. So there's predominantly only one difference, but I just wanted to show you guys what you get when you purchase it individually without all the batteries. So again, just like the full set, just initial impressions is just top quality. So let's have a good look inside. How do you get in them? Same little flip up. So it comes in this really nice little box. It's got a little story about Bishop as a company. I'll have a read of that after the fact. They've got over 25 years. Yeah, so if you're interested in reading up about companies, personally I am. I'm going to have a good read of that. So first thing that comes, let's have a little look. Oh, you get a little sticker. They're always good. I always lose them. You get a little instruction manual just with some statistics and stats about each machine. Useful. Put that to one side. I'm one of them. I don't read instructions. I'm a man. So we'll get rid of that as well. Now, just the same as the full pack, where you get everything, the batteries, the works, this comes in just it's a little bit cute, really. It's really small, compact. This is how little these machines are. Everything is within this. But again, just the quality of the packaging. And I think it's nice because, one, you can have these little things on display. They always look good. But the quality of it, down to everything, the amount of detail that they put even in just the packaging is absolutely brilliant. Right, what's inside? What's these? So just little instructions on how to lubricate it. Really simple to do. I'll show you that in different videos when I'm actually using it, but we'll just get rid of that for the time being. So you don't get any batteries with this. It is just the machine with the RCA adapter. Again, that just pulls off. If we look inside, there's two little prongs here with connectors on the inside that allows it to work. You've got two little O-rings as well, just to keep everything sturdy, but also stop any shit getting in there and muck. So exactly the same, the quality, the feel of these machines is absolutely brilliant. And one of the particular things that I really like is the matte textured finish. Most people wrap the machines anyway, but it just feels like there's not going to be any slipping around, just purely because of that matte finish. Whereas most of the other machines have got a gloss finish, really smooth. Well, when you hands, or obviously with Vaseline or ointments, whatever you use, things start to get a bit slippy, and I feel like that's not going to be the case with this. This has got a 3.5mm throw. As far as I'm aware, the only difference between the machines is obviously the throw that they give. Perfect, this for your soft shading, your portraits, but also if you do fine line, those really small liners, it'll be perfect for that as well, which I think on the descriptions, it obviously tells you what uses it's ideal for. But because it's got that shorter throw than the 5mm like liner, or the packer I think is 4.2, the needle's going to be at the same speed. It will be hitting the skin a lot softer, so it's going to make this machine just ideal for that softer, more intricate, delicate work. So you get the machine. To grease it up, I'll just quickly go through it. Hey, just quickly, in the description there's a link to my new book, Learn How to Tattoo. It covers all the lessons in the first 30 days, plus my journey through the tattoo industry, showing the mistakes so that you can avoid them. Also, I'll add a link to the new clothing brand. Make sure that you grab yours and be proud to be part of this next generation of tattooists. That's all, guys. Enjoy the video and make sure that you're subscribed and have that little bell press so that you're notified when we upload. We've got a shitload of stuff coming to the channel very soon. Cheers. you just take the grip fully off, and then inside, all you do is, I think it's around 120 to 150 hours of use, you just put one drop right inside here, and that's it, it's good for that same time period. So it just there, and inside here as well, yeah, you get your little tube of grease to obviously use. So that's just really useful. I'll pop that back in there because it's good to keep safe. It does come pre-lubricated. When you have a look right inside there, you'll be able to see it's already pre-greased up. You get a few spare O-rings as well, 4, I think, for the part that I just showed you. And then you also get the cable. So obviously, if you're using it from power supply, I'll not be using it from power supply. I'll be using batteries from the other pack. But I just wanted to show you the feel of these machines. I mean, look how small it is in your hand, and the weight. Without the battery on, it's quite front heavy rather than back heavy, which personally I really like. When I used to use rotaries, I used to purposefully get really heavy grips so the weight was at the front of the machine, and I found that for line work and things like that, it just helps stabilize everything because the weight was in the right place. If it's top heavy, obviously it's going to move about, more chance of something shaking around and things not looking as neat as what they should. But honestly guys, the first impressions, I've never used these machines yet, so this is just all based on the look and feel of it. The liner, obviously I had the batteries, so I powered it up, that's about it. I've not had a needle attached yet. For all you guys that have followed channel and know me, you'll know that I've used the Sol Nova for years. And the unlimited version, that's obviously battery powered. All the portraits that you see on my page and the work that I've done in the past will have been done by that, so I can't wait to give these a whirl. And the big question for me is, will I be leaving Cheyenne as a company and move into these Bishops? First impressions are, if they're as good as how they feel and look, and everything keeps to that same quality as in using it, not just its appearance and feel, I think I'm going to be a converted customer from one brand to another, which I've used Cheyennes for, must be 10 years. So that's a big claim and a big thing that I never thought would happen, but it's nice to try different things. I can't wait to see what these run like on the mats and on real people. So I'll be definitely putting videos up in the future with all the information about that and all the stats. But like I say, first impressions, absolutely banging machines. As always, I'll put links to these. It's not a sponsored video. I've bought these out of my own money just to trial. I didn't want a biased opinion. I do get machines sent to me. I've not reached out to Bishop because I wanted to purchase it, make a video beforehand, but I'll be reaching out to them in future. And every review video that we do on here will always be an honest opinion, whether the companies agree with it or not. So this is as honest as it gets. The first impressions are absolutely banging. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let me know whether you're thinking about trying the Bishops, or if you've got one, let me know what you think about the machines. I'd love to hear everybody else's input. Like I said, we'll be putting new videos out using this machine, and then in a few months, I'll be able to give you an actual opinion of what it's like to actually be using it, both on mats for everybody that's learning, and on real people doing realistic tattoos, which is obviously what I do. So I can't wait to give it a try. Hopefully you guys like the feedback, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.